Today's video is Eric Cartman wishes Woody Woodpecker a happy 81st birthday and gets ungrounded. And it was inspired by Aubrey the Colby Kylat and Carrie Underwood fan, Dimitri Mikhailov the Disney fan, and Kyle the Aubrey Cox and Shawn Mendes fan. And also, this is my first video of Eric Cartman gets ungrounded, so enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Eric Cartman, and today, I'm going to wish Woody Woodpecker a happy 81st birthday, because his show rocks.
At Woody Woodpecker's house.
Happy birthday, Woody Woodpecker. I hope you have the best birthday ever.
Thank you so much, Winnie.
You're welcome.
Oh, hi Eric Cartman. Are you going to wish me a happy birthday? Yes! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Woody Woodpecker. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much, Eric Cartman. I will be calling your mom about this. You can go home now.
When Eric Cartman got home.
Eric Cartman, thank you so much for wishing Woody Woodpecker a happy 81st birthday. You are ungrounded forever. You can hang out with your friends Stan, Kyle, and Kenny if you want.
Thank you, Mom. You are the best.